Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to turn on Find My iPhone feature on your iPhone device. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Settings, then scroll all the way down until you find Privacy and Security. Get into it. Right here at the very top you can easily find Location Services. Tap on that, and then right here hit where it says Share My Location. There at the very top you can find Find My iPhone feature. You can tap on that, and by toggling on or off this feature you can enable or disable that feature. While this feature is enabled, you can locate, lock or erase this device and the supported accessories. The device cannot be erased and reactivated without your password. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also you can check out my iPhone tutorials playlist where you will find a lot of other useful videos. You can easily find that playlist in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.